Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 4th and question number 5th of exercise 1.3 of class 10th. So in this exercise we have to find out square root by Vedic method. So question number 4th digits are like this. We have to make the pairs. First step is to make the pair. So start to make the pairs of 2 digit number from backside. Backside means from units place. So 49 is your first pair. Then 90 is your second pair, and then 5 alone is your third pair. So how we made the pair? From units place we started to make pair of 2 digits. So first pair, then second pair, and then third pair. So make the 3 sections: first section, second section, and third section. And here in first section don't write any number initially. First enter from the second section. In second section you write down the first pair, that is 5, and in third section write down all the remaining digits from the given question, that is 9049, by creating some gap. Like this, just create the gap and then write down. So like this, just do the entries. Now just come to the first section. Now in first section we have to select the digit. Now how to select the digit? We have to search the digit whose square is either 5 or just less than 5. So because 2 square, 2 2s are 4, that is just less than 5, and 3 3s are 9 is more than 5. So which number we are going to select? We are going to select 2. So 2 you just write down at 3 place, first place, second place, and third place. So this is the pattern. Whatever number you are going to select, write down at 3 place, first, second, and third place. So how we selected the number? We thought a number whose square is just less than 5 or less than 5. So we selected 2 because 2 square is 4, which is just less than 5. So after selecting the number, we wrote at 3 place. Now we'll start the steps. First we'll divide this 5 by 2. Already we selected here 2, so only by 2 you have to divide. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain. So question 2 already we wrote here. Now this 1 you just write down here. As I mentioned in my previous video, that after dotted line, whatever be the first dividend, you not have to improve it, you directly have to divide it. Now here we added this 4 plus 2 plus 2, that is 4. So this 4 is going to be the divisor for next all dividend. We not have to think like this 2. Here for first pair we thought the number like this, whose square is just less than 5. But for next all the numbers we not have to think like this. After adding them, whatever answer we obtain, that is going to be the divisor for next all dividend. So here after dotted line, the first dividend is 19. So this 19 we have to divide by 4 directly. We not have to improve this. That is the importance of this dotted line. So 19 directly divide by 4. So 4 4 is 16. 3 remains. So 4 is in the question, and this 3 is the remainder. Since 19 we divided, so 3 will move to the next digit, that is 0. Little bit left and down. So it's how to read it: 3 0 30. So now for the next step, that is the 30 is the dividend, but after dotted line this is the second dividend, so we have to improve it. So before this 30 is column, and after the dotted line only 4 is there. So from this 30 we have to subtract the dvandva of this 4. So we'll get 30 minus d of 4. So d of 4 single numbers, dvandva is we have to do square. So 30 minus 4 square is 16. So we'll get here 14. So 14, just divide by 4. Why by 4? Because by 4 always you have to divide. So we'll get here 4 3s are 12, that is 2. So 3 is quotient and 2 is remainder. So this 3 will write here. The 2 remainder will write down. After 0, what is the next digit is 4. 2 will come here. So the next dividend is 24. Now again we have to improve this. To improve it before this column. So before this column and after dotted line. So before this column, that is from 3 onwards, and after dotted line, that is 4 onwards, we have 43. So from this 24 we have to subtract the dvandva of this 43. So we'll do like this. dividend is 24, improved ID means improved dividend, so 24 minus D of 43. So to find out the dvandva of 2-digit number, you have to make the arrows like this. Then after forming the pair, you have to multiply it by 2, 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. That is the pattern how to find out the dvandva of 2 numbers. So when you have to find out the dvandva of 2 numbers, make the pairs, and that pair you have to multiply by 2. So it is going to be, when you multiply, then you will get 24. So 24 minus 24 is 0. So 0 divided by 4 is 0. So everywhere 0 is there. So when we divided it, we got here 0, remainder is also 0. So here is 0, 9. So again 0, 9 we have to improve. So to improve 0, 9, before this column we have 3 digits after the dotted line. After dotted line, 4, 3 and 0. Before this column. Okay, so before this column you have 4, 3, 0. So 0, 9 minus D of 430. So just see the next step. Dividend is 9, improved dividend is D of 430. So we have to make the pair from extremes. So when we make the pair from extreme, 4 and 0 in the same pair, 3 is alone. So when the digits are in pair, you have to multiply by 2, like here also we multiplied. When 43 is in pair, we have to multiply, we had multiplied by 2 into 4 into 3. In the same way, 4 and 0 are in the pair. So 2 into 4 into 0. This 3 is alone, and single numbers D is what? Like 4D. What we had done for 4's dvandva, we had done square. So in the same way, 3 is alone. So alone numbers dvandva is 3 square. So when we will solve it, because these two numbers are multiplying by 0 is 0, 3 square is 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So 4 divided by 0 is 0. So we obtain here 0 answer. Now here how many pairs we have? 1, 2, 3. That's why from question, from front take 3 numbers, that is 2, 4, 3. So here write down. So the square root of this number is, that is 59,049 is 243. So this question number 4 is completed. Now we start question number 5th. In question number 5th, from again first we have to make the pair. We make pair from the back side by taking 2 digits number together. So 2 digits together, that is first pair, then second pair, then third pair. And then write down the square root of 1,25,360. Then first section, second section and third section. Start to enter from the second section onwards. In second section, enter the first pair, that is 12. And remaining all the digits for all the pair, write down in third section by creating the gap, that is the 5, 3, 1, 6. So 5, 3, 1, 6 write down after creating the gap. Now here first pair is for 12. So we have to think a number whose square is either 12 or just less than 12. So 3, because 3 is a 9. And you know 4 square is more than 12. So 4 we can't take, we will take 3. So 3 just write down at 3 place, first place, second place and third place. So 12 just divide by, and here 3 plus 3 is 6. So this 6 is the divisor for all next dividend after the dotted line. So for this 12, the divisor is 3. So 12 is divided by 3, and here you always have to take 3 3s are 9. It means what you have to here, same you have to take here. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So first step is completed here. Quotient is, we already wrote here, that is 3, and remainder also 3 we wrote here. So after dotted line, 35 is the first pair. So we not have to improve it, directly divided by 6. So 35 divided by 6 is 6 5s are 30. So quotient is 5 and remainder also 5. So it will go to the next digit, that is 3. So it is going to be 53. So 53 is our next dividend. So before the column of 53 and after dotted line we have only 5. So to improve it, 53 minus D of 5. So dividend is 53 and improved dividend is 53 minus D of 5. D means dvandva. So single number Dvandva is you have to do square. So 5 square is 25. So when you will subtract here, you will get 28. So 28 you have to divide by 6, because always you have to divide in this section. Whatever be the dividend, always you have to divide it by 6. So here the improved dividend is 28. So 28 divided by 6 is 4, and remainder also 4. So quotient is 4, remainder is also 4 right here. When we divided this, quotient is 4 and remainder is 4. So remainder will move to the next digit, that is 1. Little bit down and left side. So it's 41. How to read it? 4, 1, 41. So 41 is dividend, but we have to improve it. So before this column and after the dotted line. So before this column and after the dotted line, we have 2 digits, that is 54. So 41 we have to improve by finding the Dvandva of 54. So see the steps. Dividend is 41 and improved dividend is 41 minus D of 54. Make the pair. So it's 2 digit number. So when 2 digit number is there, we have to multiply by 2 multiplied by 5 into 4. Multiply them, you will get here 40. So 41 minus 40 is 1. So 1 divided by 6 is 0. Remaining is 0. So quotient is 0. Remainder is 1. So quotient is 0. Remainder move to the next digit, that is 6. So it's 16. So before this column and after the dotted line, we have 3 digits, that is 5, 4 and 0. So to improve 16, we'll subtract the D of 540 from 16. So see the steps. Divided is 16. So 16 minus D of 540. So make the pair. So this is the pair of 2 digit number. So pair you have to multiply by 2. So 2 into 5 into 0. Single number we have to multiply by, we have to do it square. So it is multiplied by 0 is 0. 4 square is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. The 0 divided by 6 is 0. So quotient is 0. Remainder also 0. So here we'll write down the quotient as 0, but we don't have space to write remainder. So it's completed. Now how many pairs we have here? First pair, second pair, third pair. 3 pairs we have. So from in the quotient, from front take 3 numbers, that is 3, 5, 4. So the square root of given number is 354. So students, this method is not so tough. Here you should know how to find out the Dvandva and and then improve the dividend, and you will get the answer. Thank you.